Hey, what's up, everyone? Hey, it's kind of windy out here, so I've got the microphone that I'm using. So hopefully it kind of cuts down on the wind noise, but if there's a little bit, I apologize. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you kind of the newest rendition of my kitchen and then my outdoor chair and table. With the platform bed that I have, or a platform that I put here in the back seat, I was able to elevate the fridge a little bit, and then underneath here I put all of my cooking gear. So I've got like an extra water container. There's my, you can't really see it, but it's a cast iron skillet. Then behind there's some more stuff. Then I've got the BioLite stove down there as well, the stove that makes energy from fire. And then what I did was I put one of my hiking poles over here and just kept out one of the cloth handkerchiefs that I have, because I don't want to go through a bunch of paper towels. I think that's kind of wasteful. And so I figured I can just do this and just wash the napkin as needed. Over here to the left, got some trash bags, my olive oil, which is great for continuing to season the cast iron stove. Got some seasoned salt, and then some toilet paper just for like hand towels and stuff like that, washing off my hands. And then also a smaller bag just for littler, or for items that aren't as big. There's no such word as littler. Anyway, coffee I guess haven't kicked in this morning. Out here, what I did was I wanted to make my my camp chair and my camp table really small, because I used to have a full-size camp chair and it was just one of those big clunkers. And then the table that I had was a roll-up table, and it was really sturdy. It was great, but it just took a while to set up and break down, and it was big. So what I like about this is I got the Helinox chair. This thing's awesome. It's freaking super lightweight. I'm just lifting it up with one hand, and it's got a full Nalgene of water. Super lightweight, packs down to literally nothing. It's like the size of that when I pack it down. This is a table from Cabela's that I picked up. I picked it up a couple years ago when I started winter camping, and it's actually really sturdy for like kind of what it is. It's just a cloth canvas top here with two drink holders, and then it's pretty sturdy though. I think it holds up to, if it was either 50 or 75 pounds, because these clips, when you put all four of them down and clip them and get everything situated, it's real sturdy. So I'll cook on this. And one thing I like about the height of this is that when I pull the Helinox chair over here, check this out, it's like the perfect height to sit. And here, I'll sit down in this chair real quick, and then I've got the table like literally right here, just right here, and so I can put the laptop on here, work, do whatever, and it's real nice. And then this breaks down to nothing as well. And so I wanted to make it to where I could keep this set up, and I can just put that on top of my fridge, and then that I can just break down real quick and just throw in the back of the topper of the slide out extension, and I'm good to go. And then for the water, I just use gravity fed pressurized water. These are those smart bottle containers that I was telling you about that are built out of the flexible plastic, and it's 2-ply plastic, or 2-wall plastic, I guess. And these things are super durable. I've been using them for a while now, and it works well. And then you can situate the spout here. You can just turn this about half a turn, then you can turn this around and then tighten it back up so that it's pointed in the direction that you want. But this is my new micro kitchen, and I really like it just because it's simple, it's small, it's easy to set up and break down, and it doesn't take up hardly any space. I've just basically got a third of the section back here for the fridge, and then the cooking stuff underneath, using the side compartment over here for just a few cook items that I'll need. Using that just to make sure the door always stays open in high winds, and then also gives me a place to drape over my my cloth napkin. Then the place to sit and the table, and then the cook station, and I'm good to go with the water. So I really like how small this is and how this is all set up. But I'll put the links down in the video description below about like the chair and also the table, just in case y'all want to pick one up. So anyway, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.